Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all on this YouTube channel. Friends, we all know that students and parents are baffled as the undergraduate admission process is going to take place soon in central universities. This year, educational authorities such as UGC, National Testing Agency and central universities adopted Central University Entrance Test, which is commonly known as CUET for admission in undergraduate programs of study. So particularly admission in University of Delhi is not cutoff based this time, it would be based on merit of CUET score. We know that during the admission phase, selection of perfect or good college or institution together with perfect good program is a complex task. Each year students and parents search for clarity. This year there is more complexity and confusion as the process of admission is majorly and I would say completely new based on CUET. CUET has been introduced for the first time in country, and in this light I have been receiving a lot of queries from students and parents, guardians about the selection of colleges or institutions and programs of study, and particularly about those related to Cluster Innovation Center. So I thought let's help our students and parents in the process of selecting colleges and programs of courses, making their according to their interest and for their better future. I have combined admission related queries about the Cluster Innovation Center into following topics. What is CIC? What are its objectives or aim? What type of courses does CIC offer? What is the speciality of CIC? So we will discuss them one by one. Let's take the first question and address it. What is CIC? Friends, we have been part of many discussions and read many articles about state of Indian education system and the problems and challenges it is facing. One of the most important challenges is the lack of interface or connection in terms of skills and knowledge among educational institutions, society and industry. This can be understood from this diagram where we have three important stakeholders for the education system. There is not as much connection or sharing as it is required. This can be understood from several studies or news articles which says that majority of students are not employable or industry ready. To address questions related to skills and employability, we have also heard many times that Indian education needs reforms and innovation must become part of it. So with this vision, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, which is now Ministry of Education, planned for innovative schemes or programs with National Innovation Council in 2010 and 11 and encouraged innovative courses which must establish connections among stakeholders. Under this context, University of Delhi took the initiative and felt that innovation programs should be launched to bring together academic institutions, society and industry. University of Delhi initiatives envisioned that innovative program would enhance the creative potential of students and have an innovative curriculum with more project oriented and tailored approach of imparting skills according to the need of society and industry. So University of Delhi's effort culminated in starting of Cluster Innovation Center, which is one of the specialized center at University of Delhi. As far as offering from CIC is concerned, it offers the following advantages: innovative programs and courses to empower students with present day and future skills, enhance their creative potential to take up real world problems and solve them with knowledge and skills learned in the classroom. And more specifically, CIC philosophy can be understood from this diagram. Here we can see that CIC through its programs and courses encourages students to identify problems and challenges being faced by society and industry. They are integrated with our classroom teaching concepts and skills of that course. Under the mentorship of faculty members, students develop problems, identify them as their classroom project and try to solve them using acquired skills and concepts understanding in the classroom. Projects or problems are scientifically formulated and experimented with to come up with solutions. This hands-on and practical approach is beneficial for all stakeholders, students, academics, industry and society. Hence, learning at Cluster Innovation Center enables students to relate themselves to real-world problems in all spheres and look for innovative solutions for the problems. This approach empowers students to apply their skills in making society a better place and student as an excellent applicant for skilled job, research and development, innovation and entrepreneurship. Now we come to what are its objectives. After discussing CIC, its philosophy, knowledge ecosystem, its important pillars, let's come to what CIC aims for. CIC focuses on encouraging an environment of innovation in the system, develop innovative degree programs, educate and sensitize students and teachers by launching schemes on innovation programs. CIC aims to be the platform for the university and its all stakeholders that partners to form product and services linkages. It drives innovation and entrepreneurship in university system. It selects ideas with potential by conducting training, orientation programs, module or innovation and research. Develop ideas into innovative applications. Facilitate collaboration and partnership with industry, academia and other stakeholders. It also promotes commercialization of innovation after their solution development and take them to the end user and to the society. Let's come to the third and one of the most important points. What type of courses does CIC offer? In alignment with its vision and philosophy, CIC offers 3 programs. 2 are undergraduate program and 1 is master's postgraduate program. In undergraduate program, we have 2 programs. First one is Bachelor of Technology, BTech in Information Technology and Mathematical Innovations. And second one is BA Honors Humanities and Social Sciences with Meta College concept. In post-graduation, CIC offers MSc in Mathematics Education with Meta University concept. These programs have been designed and are conducted with project-driven pedagogy in which students are taught and are provided skills with solutions of problems coming from society and applying knowledge, concept, skills and tools to solve them and develop them as a research outcome, product, project, services in the form of IPRs or commercialization through startups. We will discuss these courses one by one in detail in coming videos. Let's understand the philosophy of CIC programs. Here we have introduced 2 terms, Meta College and Meta University. Meta College means that students take up specialized courses as per their interest and courses requirement and study at colleges. Using the Meta College concept, BA Honors Humanities and Social Sciences program seek to enable students to draw upon resources, talent and expertise available in different colleges. Instead of prescribing a fixed set of courses, this program presents an opportunity for the student to design his or her own degree under the guidance of faculty members and mentors. Of Meta University concept, the term meta means the most effective way that universities and institutions should follow as to educate students and provide them with the best possible learning resources available in different universities. The participating institutions and universities share their learning resources to provide students with a more holistic learning experience. BTech program is completely housed at CIC only. Students study completely in Cluster Innovation Center. Speciality of Cluster Innovation Centers now we will discuss. Although the fundamental things I have discussed and all especially come from the fundamental concept, but some of them are here. CIC offers innovative and practical programs of study with focus on application of concepts. CIC offers an interdisciplinary teaching and learning process including CIC offers problem solving approach in classroom teaching. CIC offers open discussion about ideas and takes them to the prototype or final product development. CIC has faculty members from diverse disciplines to cater for the needs of students. CIC has an alumni network which is well placed in government, industry and other institutions. CIC offers innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem and culture, which is one of the most important aspect of National Education Policy 2020 also. So this sums up our CIC related discussion, and I hope I have answered all your queries. Programs related information will be discussed in coming videos. In case you want to know more specific things about programs or courses at other academic institutions, colleges of University of Delhi, you can write in the comment box and give your feedback about this video and what you expect. You can also follow me on social media handles displayed on the screen and share your questions and feedback there also. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more such informative videos about education and mentorship. And like this video and share this video with your friends and other social circles for their benefit. Namaskar. Happy learning. Thank you very much for your precious time and watching this video.